Hey, what's up? How you doing today? So, ever since I was a teenager, around 16, 17, whatever, high school, I've wanted to work in an automotive machine shop, and there's hardly any around anymore in my area. I did kind of apply to a small one down in Franklin, but they're tiny. I don't even see how they keep the lights on in the place. Just two brothers and their mother that looked like she was 120 years old, chain smoking in the front office. But anyway, we used to have grooms in Nashville, but they packed up and I think they moved to Memphis. I never even set foot in the place, but I heard about it. They were there. They were here for decades. So now the only one I know of is Shacklet in Nashville. I think it's John Shacklet's. Pretty small family, kind of family-sized, family-owned, run business. I don't even know if they have maybe five guys work there or something. But anyway, it's been around for a while, and they do racing stuff and all. But this is an old Ford piston rod assembly, and I don't know what it came out of, but it looks really old because based on the design of this connecting rod, it seems very, very old style, and that piston too, but most of the connecting rods I've seen have been around since the 60s, 70s, and up till now, I guess, have a much stronger, beefier design than this thing. And I should have measured the gap between the big end and the small end, but I may put that in the description after the video. But something else that gets my attention on this connecting rod is I thought most since the 60s or before that probably, there's usually a hole in the connecting rod for oil that runs all the way down to the small end to oil the piston pin there, and this one does not have that at all. So something about this is kind of like a domed type piston. Almost makes me think, was this for a diesel? I don't know. Maybe not. But the design of the skirt got my attention too, because usually it seems like they'll have a notch right here to, I guess, help get rid of some weight. And of course this doesn't have that because it doesn't move side to side like that. So something else kind of weird is the only thing holding, it's a pretty lightweight piston, I guess, but the only thing holding the top of the piston on is these two sides there and there. You can see through it, So anyway, it seems like the layout of the rings seems like the oil ring's usually a little bit lower. But anyway, if I live to be 60, 70, 80 and I still haven't worked in an automotive machine shop, I'll probably still at least think that I wanted to. So anyway, if you know something about this old school sucker, leave a comment. The only thing, it says Ford USA, and it's got a little S there, kind of like the Superman S, and then it's got 91A on there, whatever that means. And I don't think, I guess it may say 1A or 1A, it looks like wait a minute, I gotta clean it up some more. It looks like maybe it says 1AU9 on the rod, whatever 1AU9 is, and then USA, Ford USA, something, clean it up better, IF 130 something 132 in there. So anyway, this thing was in a nasty lab that had been flooded, and you can still see some crap in those ring grooves. It was like mold, covered with mold, so I just cleaned it up with an angle grinder and wire wheel. I couldn't get all this cracks and crevices in the rod, but or down in there in the piston. But Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.